Scissors Goang Sao, a splitting entry.
All right, so the question is, when you're doing your scissors, are you trying to take them away from you, or are you trying to go into the center?
Yes.
Okay.
We know the answer.
Well, now, yeah, as I pose it in that way,
Yes.
you already know the answer.
Wait, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's easier said than done, because the distractions of the arms they're the arms there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but these arms, and that's chasing hands.
Yeah.
So as you come into your scissors, slicing into your target.
Okay.
This is a slice. And Gan Sao or Goang Sao means to plow.
Oh, okay.
Like plow. So you think of plowing, right? So as you're here, it's an entry move, right?
Yep.
It's an entry there. Notice that I'm trying to get my elbows into them as much as possible. I don't want to be back here like this.
Right.
Right? You don't want that. You want to extend your weapons into them.
I see it.
Subscribe to our channel and be sure to click the bell icon to be notified as new videos get uploaded.
I see a lot of that, the former version on YouTube everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you know,
In fact, there was even one video, I'm not going to mention any names, but where the guy, everybody applauded because he broke the dummy, but he did it with a technique that was like not correct.
if you're breaking the dummy,
Yeah.
if you're breaking the arms of the dummy, you're hacking across it.
Right,
That's incorrect.
right.
So
And when I saw the motion, I was like, everybody's clapping because,
well, whoever it is incorrect.
Yeah.
So, you know, we don't need to name names.
that's right.
But it's not about the names, it's about the concepts and the ideas that are correct or incorrect.
Honest.
It's honest.
Yeah.
It's honest.
When
So we do this scissors Gan Sau, scissors Gong Sao, we are entering into their center. This is an entry-based move, right? So think of that. Think of, you know, I'm really coming into them. Whether you're coming into them and you're hitting them simultaneously with a Chang Sao or something of that, or down here you're punching or you're striking towards their lower area, could be their groin, could be
Is that the same
higher.
with the Quan Sao?
Gaun Sao is completely different
Different, okay.
than the scissors Gong
Okay.
Sao.
All right, good. I'm glad I
Even
asked
though
that.
they're both one up, one down,
Yeah.
the Gaun Sao is completely different than the other. So
Okay, so as far as not the same forward, more of a
it's different.
More of a
so
roll.
that's a whole lesson in and of itself.
Okay.
The Gaun Sao.
we don't have time for this.
So this, but
Stay tuned.
for the scissors
Yeah.
Gong Sao, and we'll do another one on the Gaun Sao.
Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Click the bell icon and get notified when new videos come out.
The scissors, it's an entry. So let's look at the priorities of the scissors.
Yep.
It's an entry, okay? Get your elbows away from your body. Get your elbows away from your body. Still stay rooted as you're doing it, but get these elbows into them. And that's what we lead with, our knees and our elbows towards the center of the other person. You're trying to operate, as you're on the dummy, you're operating on the tips of the arms,
Yes.
right? This represents a star that you're controlling, right? We have the 7 stars. So this represents a star. Very well could represent the elbow
Or
here.
shoulder,
It could represent the shoulder.
Yeah.
It could represent the neck as someone's coming in to try to
yeah.
take you down.
Yeah.
It could represent a number of those stars.
Interesting.
Right? So I know when we talk about these are just energy pathways that are coming at you. So
Yeah.
it could represent all these different things at a different time. Just know that the tip of it is a star.
Okay.
So you're controlling at one of these stars,
So this
and
would
you're
even-
coming right on into the center here.
So this would even be like a takedown if this was happening lower.
it
right?
could be. It could be. This
Yeah.
could be their head,
Yeah.
right? If this is coming at, this is here, maybe this is their
That's like their shoulder, their arm, or
This
something.
could be their
That's
arm
like the
going
arm.
from a single leg.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? This could be their head coming down, right? If you needed to go a little lower, and
Yeah.
those, you can adjust that.
Yeah.
But this works, scissors works great.
Yeah. This is an attack, but it's a
Yes.
So it's not even if someone is attacking you, this is you attacking them, not trying to block them or
Absolutely,
whatever.
and it's one of the best ways to handle any type of attack, whether it's a punch, a kick, attempted takedown. Once you're a part of them, if they try to either push further into you, you have, now you're already part of them. You feel it immediately.
Yeah.
If they try to wiggle away from you, you feel that immediately too.
Yeah.
So you're already a part of their center once you get there.
So it's like reach connect.
And that's something, that's something that you don't give up once you achieve it.
Yeah.
It is usually pivoted, although we can do some that are not pivoted.
And now, as far as the pivot, then weight on.
The weight comes towards the same sided foot as the high hand.
Oh, so it's.
As the high hand. Yeah. So you're here like this, right? Then it comes to that same side.
So your weight right now is on your left foot.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Weight's on high hand. Okay.
my weight, well, it's very simple when you think about where to put the weight. Remember the simplicity of it? Don't think inside, outside. Don't think left, right. Don't think that.
Okay.
Make it simpler. If you are on this side of an energy pathway,
Yeah.
then the weight is going to be on this side.
Gotcha.
If you are, and so you look at both of these arms, I'm on this side of the energy pathway that's coming at me,
So so you're okay.
right? So that's why the weight should be on that corresponding side, and
Well,
then
yeah,
you have
'cause-
an associated
Because
foot.
this wouldn't make sense. 'Cause yeah.
It would. I mean, if I'm over here, I don't have any.
No.
I don't have the same.
Right.
The same wedging power. I
Sure.
want to wedge right on into them
Sure. So,
with things. So
okay. Cool.
the scissors Gong Sao is an entry,
Right on.
right?
Very cool.
So good.
That's good. It's good stuff.
Get more free Wing Chun lessons at learnwingchun.com.